Have you ever wondered why some neon signs glow brighter than others? Or why some seem to cost an arm and a leg while others are surprisingly affordable? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of neon lights to answer the burning question, how much does neon pay cost? Understanding neon pay, or the cost of neon lights, is influenced by several factors. Let's break them down. Size and complexity. The bigger and more intricate the design, the more neon tubing and labor will be required. A simple, small sign might cost a fraction of a complex, large-scale installation. Neon color. Certain neon colors, like red and orange, are more common and therefore less expensive than rarer colors like purple or blue. Tubing thickness. Thicker neon tubing, while providing a more vibrant glow, also increases the cost. Customizations. Additional features like backlighting, animations, or special effects can significantly drive up the price. Installation costs. The cost of installing the neon sign can vary depending on factors such as location, accessibility, and the complexity of the installation. Neon pay examples. To give you a better idea of neon pay, let's look at some real-world examples. Small, simple sign. A basic, small neon sign with a simple design and a common color could cost anywhere from $100 to $500. Medium-sized, complex sign. A more intricate sign with multiple colors and a moderate size might range from $500 to $2,000. Large-scale, custom installation. A custom-designed, large-scale neon installation with intricate details and special effects could cost thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars. Factors affecting neon pay. Beyond the basics, several factors can influence neon pay. Neon manufacturer. The reputation, experience, and quality of the neon manufacturer can impact the price. Location. Neon signs made in different regions may have varying costs due to factors like labor rates and materials availability. Market demand. Increased demand for neon signs can lead to higher prices. Tips for cost-effective neon signs. If you're looking for ways to save on neon pay, consider the following tips. Simplify your design. Opt for simpler designs with fewer colors and details. Choose common colors. Select more common neon colors to reduce costs. Consider smaller sizes. Smaller signs are generally more affordable. Shop around. Compare prices from different neon manufacturers and installers. Negotiate. Don't be afraid to negotiate with suppliers, especially for large-scale projects. Neon signs, while beautiful and eye-catching, can come with a price tag. By understanding the factors that influence neon pay and considering cost-saving tips, you can make informed decisions when purchasing or commissioning a neon sign. Call to action. So, the next time you see a dazzling neon sign, you'll have a better appreciation for the craftsmanship and cost that went into creating it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your eyes peeled for those neon glows.